Hey everybody, this is Ebone with UnboundUAV, and today I am bringing you something that I have been dying to get my hands on for quite some time. So, I've talked about Team Neugen and the Boss VP frame for quite some time. Now they came out with a friggin' awesome system where it's a hybrid stance and you actually get a perfect 90-degree angle on the rear. So, the cool thing is, after talking with Team Neugen for a bit, ended up coming out with something, just some minor changes because I love their frames. They're ultra light, super tough, they're fantastic. And later I've got an interview with Reggie Ramos, just kind of talking about the design, how they got there, and I will tell you, he is flying Team Neugen and kicking butt over at MultiGP. That guy is fast. But what I do want to show you is this is a modification of the Boss VP, and it is awesome. So I just got this today, and I am so stoked. One thing you'll notice here is, take a little look at the arms. These are made for smaller motors now. So, with this thing being so dang light, pretty much the only place that you're going to lose more weight is from the motor. So, we made this fit smaller motors. So you could fit 14, 15, 16X motors on here. Match it with a nice prop and everything and shave enough weight. So I'm planning on building this thing up ultra lightweight, still 5-inch, smaller batteries, shave off as much weight as possible and try and make something super nimble and all that. And now here it is. So the other benefit too, which is a first for the Boss frames, is you check this out. Look, don't need to worry about bolts anymore. There is inset hardware in here, and I can just say thank you, Izzy works awesome and tirelessly on just making this as good of a team frame as possible. You can fit your 20x20, 30x30 stack in here. The arms are compatible with 5-inch, with 7-inch, with hybrid set, and everything is backwards compatible. So the base plate, the top plate, it all works. Comes with the lightweight printed TPU camera mount, antenna mount, and I am just going to tell you, this thing is going to be light as can be, fast as heck, and still tough as nails. So if you're looking at frames, if you're looking at a option that is not pricey, that you can burn through, that you can fly, that you can feel, that you can rip, visit Team Neugen. I'm going to tell you, fantastic quality carbon, awesome setups, great options, and all around the same format. So check it out. Don't take my word for it. Give it a shot. You will not regret it. It's coming in at a low price. You can order them on Pyro. So head over to Pyro, check out Team Neugen, and if you have interest in here, feel free to write me directly, or Team Neugen. You could also drop a message with Pyro, however you want to get a hold of them. Alright, well, thank you very much, everybody. I've got some more content coming up. I just couldn't wait. Still excited. Just pulled this out of the mail. Thank you very much, Izzy. Did an amazing job, and I can't wait to rip this guy.